Warehouse and inventory systems have an important place in order to organize the storage, monitoring, and distribution of the products of the enterprises, to increase the efficiency of the enterprises, and to ensure customer satisfaction. If a material that needs to be purchased 1,000 times in a year is purchased 2 times each of 500 pieces instead of 20 times each of 50 pieces, the total transaction cost decreases, but the cost of possession increases. JIT, Heijunka, continuous flow are lean production techniques that can help us find the lowest cost point. One of the important objectives of these techniques is to provide controlled, necessary, and economical stock quantity and flexibility. Argemas, Inventory Management Module, aims to manage stocks, ensure traceability, and reduce errors encountered by making them accessible according to the placement, mobility, and frequency of use of the products in the warehouse, with the data received through barcode readers, hand terminals, and RFID cards. Within the stock module, stock analysis can be done by entering an order-based or product-based quantity. All units can easily see how much of which material is needed, how much is in stock, and how much needs to be supplied in order to produce the amount to be produced from a product. The rapid progress of businesses towards a flexible production system forces the relevant departments to take faster action plans in line with changing customer demands. Argemas allows order and inventory management to be carried out more effectively. Stock cards are defined in the system, and stock cards are created, for example, chemicals, button group, auxiliary materials, raw materials, etc. Address movements for all open stock codes in the system can be provided. Using hand terminals, the transfer process can be added according to the requests from the departments and stock analysis. All stocks can be reported according to as many breakdown details as desired, and BI reports can be created and much more detailed analyses can be made. See you in another video. Goodbye.